Hi y'all, Elaine here. countryhomeandheart.net is my website, and I just wanted to give y'all an update on my husband Ron. I haven't posted any videos lately because if you remember from my chicken and dumplings video that I did, I mentioned that he was going into the hospital at that time. They had to remove a couple of cancerous lesions on his liver, which they did do, and they think that they got everything, so that's good. Now, he did have some serious complications during his surgery, so he's had to remain at the hospital, and now he is in rehab till he gets his strength back, but he's doing really well. His strength is coming back every day. He's just getting stronger and stronger and very alert. So I think he'll be getting out of there pretty soon. At least we're hoping he will. So anyway, that's the update on him. And we wanted to thank y'all for the prayers and kindness. We could really feel those prayers, and they were a comfort. And we thank you all so much from the bottom of our hearts for that. And I wanted to let y'all know that I am going to be posting some more cooking videos here probably this week. I'm going to try and do my Southern style biscuits. That was actually a request from my daughters when they were here for the surgery last week, and they suggested that I do my Southern style biscuits, so I'm definitely going to do that, and a few other things that they had asked me to do. So I'll be doing some more recording probably starting tomorrow. It's a good time. I got the house to myself and it's kind of quiet, so that would be a good time for me to post to do some more cooking videos, and so I will be doing that hopefully in the next day or so. So y'all, I do again thank you for your prayers and concern, and so I will be doing those videos this week. So we'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.